Okay.
सर मेरा कैमरा ऑन है.
Okay.
also on.
Okay. I am going to mute all of you.
Cube are equal. Okay. No sir, हम नहीं चिल्लाएंगे.
Yes, I know that you will not. तुम नहीं चिल्लाओगे.
अब तुमको ही प्रॉब्लम होगा इसीलिए बोले मैं ठीक कर.
Okay. Before doing that activity, I want to explain the last topic that is in this uh, chapter, and which is very important. Okay, in geometry, how to measure different line segments, or how to construct a line segment of a given measure. Okay, suppose I am going to draw a line segment. Line segment. Okay. Suppose I have one Pariniti, attention on the book, attention here, keep your attention here. Okay, suppose it is a line segment. Okay, it has two endpoints X and Y. Okay, now we want to know, suppose I have drawn another line segment. Okay, and its endpoints are A and B. Okay, now suppose we want to know that which one is greater and how much. कौन किससे बड़ा है या कौन किससे छोटा और कितना छोटा है. Okay, so you always you know that we can measure length by scales or by measuring tapes. Okay, and the different units to measure length is, can anyone tell me in the chat box that what is the unit, what are the units to measure length? Can anyone tell me in the chat box? Yes, good. Kanhaiya ji, yes, centimeter, kilometer. Dev Sandille, good, meter. Good. Okay, good. Yes, there are several units. Yes. Well done, Sugyans, Chaitanya, good. Good, Shans. Good, Divyangana. There are many units. Okay. First unit is meter. Meter. We can measure the length in meter. Okay. We represent it as M. Okay. Second is, which is largest. You can say it is the larger than meter. It is kilometer. Kilometer, which is symbolically written as km. Okay. If we talk about units smaller than meter for measuring a very small length, it is centimeter. Centimeter. Okay, you can write in your copy centimeter. And we can also find very still very smaller length of any line segment by using the unit millimeter. MILLI, millimeter. METRE, millimeter. The symbol is small double M. Okay, so we have the units millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. We can measure different lengths in terms of millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay, always remember meter is the standard unit of length. Meter is the standard unit of length, while kilometer is larger than meter. Okay, and if you talk about centimeter, it is smaller than centimeter, and the millimeter, which is too smaller than millimeter as well as centimeter. Okay, यहाँ जो मीटर है ये लेंथ को मेजर करने का एक स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट है. ओके, लेकिन जो लार्जर डिस्टेंसेज हैं, है ना, जैसे मुझे अगर मेजर करने हैं, इफ यू हैव टू मेजर सपोज लेंथ फ्रॉम आवर स्कूल टू गांधी मैदान, मुझे अगर हम लोग अपने स्कूल से लेके गांधी मैदान तक है, तो मीटर में मेजर करेंगे तो कितना बड़ा हो जाएगा. सो वी मेजर द डिस्टेंसेज इन किलोमीटर. ओके, बट फॉर स्टैंडर्ड इट इज यूज्ड मीटर. लेकिन कुछ और भी स्मॉलर होते हैं, जैसे मुझे अगर मेजर करने हैं इसकी लेंथ, है ना, या इस पेन की लेंथ, तो वहां मीटर बहुत बड़ा होगा. उसके लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं सेंटीमीटर. ओके, ऑल्सो वी यूज millimeter if you have to suppose measure a very small. Okay, so we can very small length we can measure in terms of millimeter. Okay, तो हमारी ये different units है, हमको ये चीज ध्यान रखना है. In our scale, see here, first before knowing about how to measure the line segment or how to construct a line segment of a given measure, first we will see the designing of a scale. I have this scale. Okay, you can you would also have a scale, so you would also look into your scale. You would have seen that in your scale it starts from here. ये यहां से स्टार्ट होता है जहां पे जीरो लिखा होता है. जीरो के बाद कुछ इस तरह का स्ट्रक्चर होता है स्केल का. मैं यहाँ पे बना रहा हूं. 1 मिनट. अगर मैं एक स्केल बनाने जाऊं, ये कुछ ऐसा बनेगा, है ना. However, the scale I am going to measure will not be actual, will be not of actual measure. In a scale, you would see that here is a big line, and it is written 0, and there are very small 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 there, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then big, and it is written 1. Is it clearly visible? Okay, तो यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में क्या लिखा होता है? 0, है ना. 0 के बाद ये 1, 2, 3, 4, फिर 5 वाले कुछ बड़े होते हैं, फिर 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, फिर एक 1, फिर इस तरह से स्टार्ट होता है. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again a big 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. It is 2. Okay, so you can see this greater number 0, 1, 2, this shows the measure in centimeter. ये जो बड़े बड़े जो लेटर ये जो है लाइन ये शो करते हैं 0, 1, 2, ये सारे सेंटीमीटर हैं. ओके, and these small dots you have, these show a millimeter. Always remember 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, यानी यहाँ पे यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितना हुआ 10 मिलीमीटर हुआ, तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ 1 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, okay, clear?
हेलो
What is happening? Mute yourself. All of you mute yourself.
नहीं, इसका नाम है तोलू भाई, मेरा नाम है दिव्यांशु भाई, इसका नाम है कार्तिक भाई या छोटू भाई.
Hey छोटू भाई, mute yourself and concentrate on the study. छोटू भाई, बड़ू भाई. Okay, so here try to understand. In your scale, 10 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter. Who it is? 10 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter. Jigyan? Oh, no, it is Dev Sandilya. Dev Sandilya? I know that many of you. Kavya, if you have a problem, write in the chat box. तुमने जितना I have a problem लिखने में मेहनत किया, 100 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter. Dev Sandilya, I have written here 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter.
5 6 8.
So यहाँ पे देखो एक चीज, ये जो स्मॉल लाइंस दिख रहे हैं आपको, है ना, इसको अगर काउंट करें तुम स्केल में भी काउंट कर सकते हो, है ना, अपने स्केल्स में, अपने स्केल्स की तरफ देखो. ये 1 2 3 4 5 है ना, यहाँ पे होते हैं, फिर 6 7 8 9 10, ये 1 सेंटीमीटर. फिर यहाँ से देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, ये अनदर आपका 1 सेंटीमीटर और, तो 1 सेंटीमीटर यहाँ से यहाँ तक की दूरी कितनी हुई 2 सेंटीमीटर, और यहाँ से अनदर 1 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, गुड जिज्ञान, ठीक है. तो अब तो हम लोग ये जान गए, नाउ वी नो और वी हैव रिवाइज्ड दैट व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ Kavya Verma. Sir, I can't understand how to identify line segment and array. Okay, I will explain you. Okay. You should, for detail, you can see my previous videos, which has been, link has been shared in the WhatsApp group also, but I am explaining in short. Okay. See, a line segment has a 2 end point. A line segment has 2 end point, and array has only 1 end point, and it has 1 arrowhead in the 1 direction. Okay, it can't be measured, but line segment can be measured. Okay. Always remember that line, whenever you have a line ray or line segment, I have explained in these classes that in a line there are no end points, and they have no in lines they have no definite length, they can't be measured. Okay, line in a ray there is 1 end point. Okay, and it has on the other end it has 1 arrowhead. In line there are 2 arrowheads. It means they can be extended in both the direction. In array it can be extended in only 1 direction. Okay, okay, so that's why line and they can't be measured. Okay, but a line segment can be measured. Okay, Kavya, I think Now you would have understood it, and for detail you can see the YouTube link. Okay. Now see, now we know that what are the different components of a measuring scale. Okay. Now we will see how to measure a given line segment. Suppose I have to measure this line segment which I have drawn. Then what we will do first? We will consider the first end point. We will consider the first point, and we will put our scale starting of the scale. It means 0 of that scale at this position. Okay, and then we will see at which point another is getting. You can see it is about 18. It is about 19 centimeters. Okay, it is. Dev Sandilya, you have written 2 times. Sir, I have to say something. Sir, I have to say something. You say in the chat box. You are free. तुम जितना मेहनत किया लिखने में ये 2 लाइन, उतना में तो अपनी बात कह देता. Okay. Okay. So for measuring the line segment, first we have to consider the first line segment. We will put our scale starting of the scale. It means 0 point of this scale, and we will put this scale in this way and will measure this. Okay, I think it is 19 centimeters. Okay, so we will write in this way 19 centimeter. Okay, and we can write here xy is equal to 19 centimeter. Okay, so we can write here. Okay, now if we have to measure this line segment AB, okay, so how we see here, again I am going to show you. It is 20 centimeter and 5 millimeter. It means it is 20 centimeter and 5 millimeter. We can write it as 20.5 centimeter. It means this line segment is of 20 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Okay. Dev Sandilya, why are you writing or why are you showing your knowledge about Ray in the chat box? Nisu, you also? So we can measure this, the line segment in such a way. Okay. Now, suppose we have to draw a line segment of a given measure. Okay, suppose someone say that you have to draw a line segment, okay, of 7 centimeter. How we will draw? First, we will take a point, take one in point and name it P, okay, and then we will take this scale, okay, and we will put another dot at 7. Okay, it is this. It is 7. And now we will join this both point. We will get what? 7 centimeter line segment. Clear? Yes. मैंने बोला था कि आपको ऑब्जेक्ट मैं अब दूंगा. I have explained the last topic. Now I do not think anyone has any problem. Okay. Okay, so on this basis, you can do your worksheet 4, which is your homework, and worksheet 5 as well. Okay, always remember, many times it is said that construct a line segment of suppose 5 centimeter, but many times it is written that construct a line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter. It means this A and B shows the 2 end points of that line segment. Clear? Okay, now I am going to start the activity session. One by one, I will call the name. Okay, one by one, now I will call the name for this activity. Pariniti, Pariniti, explain about any one solid, and no other student will. Pariniti,
Yes, sir.
take any one solid and explain its different properties.
Okay, sir.
Do fast. Do fast, Pariniti. I think her network is. Ujjwal Raj.
Sir, can I? Sir, can I?
Who is can I?
Sir, can I? Aditya Sharma. Aditya Sharma.
Ujjwal Raj. Ujjwal Raj,
Yes,
open
sir.
your camera.
Yes, sir. Sir, मेरा कैमरा ओपन है.
नहीं, यहाँ तो ऑफ आ रहा है बेटा आपका.
Can I?
Many cameras are off. I think it is.
Sir, can I?
Yes, Aditya.
Sir, can I?
Aditya Sharma.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I reduce it?
Aditya, your camera is off.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Your camera is off, beta.
Can I return? Chaitanya Kumar. Okay, they said delay. Sir, my camera is on.
Okay.
Sir, can I? Sir,
Yes,
can
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
On camera.
1 minute, beta. It is getting some.
Can I?
Yes, Aditya Raj, explain me. आप कोई एक सॉलिड लो और एक्सप्लेन करो. Aditya Raj, sorry, Aditya Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Explain me.
This is my pencil lead. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 faces.
Good. Which shape
1,
it is?
2, 3, 4.
Of which type of solid it is?
It is cuboid.
Yes, good.
It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges.
Yes, good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. One question from Aditya Sharma. You have explained it nicely. Tell me, what is the shape of it? Which type of plane surface does a cuboid or does your pen have a face? उसका face का shape कैसा होता है?
Sir, rectangle.
Yes, good. Now mute yourself. Ujjwal Raj.
Thank you. Sir,
Ujjwal, Ujjwal Raj.
Sir, can I? Yes, sir.
I will give chance to all. Even tomorrow I will also give more chances.
Sir, can I pass for you?
बेटा हड़बड़ाइए नहीं, मैं सबको मौका दूंगा. मैं मैक्सिमम मौका देने, मैं आज नहीं होगा तो कल भी दूंगा. एक एक बच्चों से मुझे पूछने दीजिए. उज्जवल राज.
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain me about one solid object.
Yes, ma'am.
Be ready. Whenever your name is called by me, be ready for it. सारे स्टूडेंट्स रेडी रहिए. ये नहीं कि मेरे नेम कॉल करने के बाद आप 1 मिनट टाइम ले. टाइम इज प्रीशियस.
Sir, this is cuboid.
No, take another type of solid. All are explaining about only cuboid.
यार क्यूब कोई ना सर भी है.
Okay, Pariniti.
Sir, can I Ritvik Ranjan?
Ritvik, I will give you chance. Pariniti.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
1,
You are also explaining about cuboid.
cuboid. 1 cuboid, 2 cuboid, 3 cuboid.
No, beta.
4
One.
cuboid, 5.
See, एक मिनट बेटा. ये जो बॉक्स है आपका सिर्फ एक ही क्यूबाइड है ना. ये सिर्फ एक ही क्यूबाइड है. वो जो आप काउंट करा रही है वो उसके फेसेस हैं. ओके, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो वहां 1
Yes,
क्यूबाइड
sir.
2 क्यूबाइड नहीं, उसको 1 फेस बोलिए.
Okay, sir.
यस.
1
Cuboid.
3 face,
यस.
4 face,
यस.
5 face,
Yes.
7 face, 8 face.
नो बेटा, देयर आर ओनली 6 फेसेस.
6 face.
Count once again. Count once again.
Okay, sir. 1 face,
Yes.
second face,
Yes.
third face,
Yes.
4th face,
Yes.
5th face, 7th face.
No, beta. See. 1 minute. See here. I have this mobile. It is also of cuboidal. See. You will see 1, and all other students will also see it clearly. 1, 2,
Okay, sir.
3, 4, 5, and 6. It is very simple. There are 6 faces. Yes. Yes, Pariniti.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
1 face,
Yes.
2 face,
Yes.
3 face,
Yes.
4 face, 5 face, 6 face.
Good. And so its ages.
Yes, sir. सर एजेस है इसका.
देख के
सर इसका एजेस है 6.
एजेस बेटा 12 होते हैं.
तो कुछ याद नहीं है. एजेस
Who is commenting?
6.
Who is commenting?
एजेस
Don't comment on others.
एजेस 12
Okay, Chaitanya will explain me
होते
about one solid. Chaitanya, good Parnati, you have tried well. You will see the other. Yes, it good Sigyans. I was bored
Yes, sir.
about discussing only cuboid. Now I have the second choice about cone. I am feeling very happy.
Sir, can I?
This is a birthday cap. It represents a cone.
Good.
It is one vertex. It has one vertex.
Yes.
It has one.
All
curve.
other students, 1 minute Chaitanya,
It has
1 minute
one
Chaitanya, 1 minute. See, when there is teaching and learning process is going on, always remember, don't think that if I have given the chance to another student, you have nothing to do. You can also learn it from there. If you have not understood anything, or you have due to network problems or other thing from my side, you can also understand whenever other student is explaining about that concept or theory. Okay? Yes, Chaitanya, start.
This is a birthday cap. It represents a cone. It has
Good.
one vertex. It has one curved surface.
Good.
It has one edge.
Yes.
It has a one plane surface.
Yes. Good. Good, beta. Very nice. I was quite bored by watching all the cuboidal shapes. Okay.
Sir, can I Ritvik Ranjan?
Okay, Ritvik, I will give you chance.
Sir, may I
Where are you, Ritvik Ranjan? Let me first.
सर अगर मेरे पास भी कोन नहीं होता तो मैं भी
Sir, can I?
सर कैन आई काव्या वर्मा
Okay, I will give.
Sir, can I Ritvik Ranjan?
Lucky is present there. Lucky. Yes, beta.
कैन आई से
Don't say can I, can I. I will give chance to all. Yes, beta. Lucky, start.
Sir, can I Nandaranjan? Sir, can I?
it has one vertex. Sir, it has one curved surface. Sir, it has one edge. Sir, it has one plane surface.
Yes.
Sir,
One plane surface. Explain me again.
Sir, can I?
Your sound is not clear, beta.
Sir, it has one